What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Comment below, likes, all of that good stuff, shares, everything. Join the Discord, there is a link below. And yeah, let's just get into this one. So it's crazy how this is a Nike and it's actually got a good box. I'm tired of seeing the sportswear box. I haven't seen this box before. So yeah, I like that. So black box, white writing, D/MS/X. It's actually like a backslash instead of a forward slash. Nike logo, Nike logo. It's got a little pattern. I like that. Then it's got a swoosh. Swoosh again. Here it says Nike, and it's actually that's actually been damaged, but yeah, it says Nike. And then it says D/MS/X Nike swoosh. The important bit is what it says on the label. Nike React Vision, and that colorway is black, University red, iron grey. 10.5 US size, UK is 9.5, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5, and Euro 44.5. Style code is FB3353001, and they are made in Vietnam. I do have to say, half size down is incorrect. I thought they might fit a bit different, but definitely true to Air Max size for me. And then we've got some information there. Yeah, right, don't really care about all that information, to be honest. Let's get into the shoes. So I actually haven't seen this colorway worn by anyone before, which is quite odd because apparently they've been out for some time. I definitely, black and red always looks good on a trainer or a sneaker. So I really like this colorway. I'll also be reviewing like the black and white one, which is very popular, the triple black one, triple white, all of that. So the sole is like this new React sole. It is very spongy, soft, very soft. I'm not sure how long this sole will actually last outdoors, to be honest. Like that bit will last a bit longer, but this, I don't know, man. It needs to be put through some serious testing. So that's literally the sole. The sole and the midsole is all like one piece of sponge foam, really soft foam, with a bit of dark grey detailing. Nike swoosh. But yeah, man, a bit odd that. And then we've got a piece of plastic, like a stiff piece of plastic. It's like a spoiler on trainers, or like on the car, I should say. It actually does say the D/MS/X on that. And then we've got like a taped bit behind, so like a no-sew bit on the upper. And then the whole upper is like this odd paper cut material. It's got little slits in it. I don't know what that feels like. That just feels a bit different. And then we've got a Nike swoosh, kind of like taped on, like a no-sew one. And then literally the whole front toe box, and again same on that side, is all one, the upper. The laces, I do like these type of laces, so the rounded laces on these, they're proper nice, the way they are, the way they drop, whatever. And then this is something I found quite odd. I don't really like that. So it's like this kind of felt, little panels and stuff that just feel weird, and they're not really even stuck on properly. They just stitched a bit, so all the red little bits that you can see is stitching. That's what they have. And then underneath that is like leather that's actually stitched in, like a tumble type leather. But that's the design. But to be honest, it's nothing special. I'll be honest, I don't really like that. A bit flimsy, not a fan of that. It does carry on there. And then we've got like a pull tab which is red and black, and it said the DMSX on there. Same on the inside. Kind of reminds me of a Supreme BOGO. That and that. It's quite similar. Nike actually copying someone. Wow. And in the back we got that same sort of pull tab on the back, but it's like, yeah, it's just there. It's just a bit odd. Inside, not much padding if I'm honest, like especially on the heel side. Well, no padding, it's just the material. They are comfortable on the bottom, and then the tongue is slightly padded, but you know the back is not padded at all. So if you want to get these and you want them to be padded at the back, apologies, they are not. Yeah, I don't really know what to say too much about these. They are very comfortable, I have to say. The padding on the back doesn't really make a difference to them, but you know, it does matter, different people. But when I was stepping on them, they were like proper spongy, so that's all good to have comfortable trainers. Yeah, I like them, to be honest. I like them, especially the black and red colorway. That always slaps on any shoe. But yeah, I like them. I'm definitely want to review more colors, black, white, black and white, all that. But let me know what you think about these people, man. I have had a lot of requests of these, so I will be getting into them as soon as I can. So like every colorway. But let me know what you think about this pair. I like these because I haven't seen anyone else wear them, to be honest. And sizing, I'd definitely say true to your Air Max size. And yeah, that's really all from me for today. And make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. Wait a few seconds, you will see an on foot video, and I'll also post that separately. Click the bell icon so you know when all the videos are out. Join the Discord, and most importantly, take care, my people.